morning everyone, I am here again ang inyong lingkod, Michael Figueroa from Mitsubishi Motors, Santos branch. I am super early this morning para mauna ako mag-review sa naka-display ngayon dito sa showroom namin. Kasi for sure, maraming magbibideo na ito mamaya since sa Friday na yung official launching. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you today your brand new favorite pickup truck, the 2024 Triton. This is all new. Maraming binago dito compare sa Strada. So tara, reviewin natin. For the front, meron siyang chrome dynamic shield design and black front grille. Daytime running lights, headlights, front fog lamps, brake lights, rear combination lamps, lahat LED. And of course, the turn signal lights. Now let's talk about the engine. Dahil hindi lang yung itsura yung nagbago dito sa Triton, kundi pati na rin yung makina. Because it has the all-new 4N16 engine. Mas pinalakas. Of course. The 4N16 engine has a horsepower of 204 PS at 3,500 RPM. Equipped siya ng 2-stage turbocharger para mas powerful. For the torque, it has a 470 Nm and the RPM is between 1,500 to 2,750. And of course, the BBT is equipped with our proudest MyBIC technology that gives more power, less emission, and fuel efficient. So ano ba yung mga nagbago dito sa 4N16 from the 4N15? First is the piston weight. Binawasan siya ng 15% para mabawasan yung friction at hindi masyadong stress yung engine. Second is the balancer shafts. Patented ito ng Mitsubishi. Dinesign ito para mabawasan yung friction at engine vibration. Last is the full duct type air cooling drive. Binago yung design niya para matulungan yung radiator at condenser for improved engine and AC cooling system. Itinaas din yung pwesto ng alternator at yung max output ay in-increase to provide power sa electrical components ng vehicle. Punta naman tayo dito sa dimension. For the length, it has a 5,320 mm. For the width, it has a 1,865 mm. For the height, it has a 1,795 mm. For the ground clearance, it has 222 mm. And for the wheelbase, it has 3,130 mm. For the wheels, this is an alloy with 18-inch diameter. Sa tires naman, 265mm ang lapad. 60mm naman ang aspect ratio or yung height niya. In-improve na rin yung suspension dito sa Triton. Sa harap, the suspension has a longer rebound stroke and larger stabilizer bar. Sa likod naman, optimize yung 3 leaf layers at may bigger absorbers na rin siya. Of course, all this for improved handling performance, better road grip, riding comfort, and fuel efficiency. For the chassis, improve na rin ang frame. Mas mahaba na siya compared to sa Strada. Dinagdagan na rin siya ng crash boxes para mabawasan yung frame damage during vehicular collision. For the Athlete and the GLS variant, KOS is still here, but for the GLX and the GL variant, I'm sorry po. Dito naman tayo sa likod. Una natin mapapansin is itong styling bar or roll bar. For the GLS variant, ganito yung design niya, magkaiba sila no sa Athlete. But for the GLX and the GL variant, sorry po, wala pa tayong stock na styling bar. And here it is finally. Ito yung palaging question sa amin every time na magre-release kami ng Strada. Nasasara ba tong tailgate? Nahihirapan kaming sumagot nun, but for now, hindi na. Kasi mayroon ng dedicated tailgate lock ang Triton for the Athlete and the GLS variant. Meron tayong installed na damper dito for tailgate assist. For the cargo bed size, it has a length of 1,555mm, width of 1,545mm, height of 525mm, and overall, it has a volume capacity of 1.2 cm. Dinesign tong cargo bed para magkasya yung dalawang paleta na may habang 120 cm at lapad na 80 cm. Binabaan din yung cargo bed floor height para di mahirap mag-load dito sa likod. Meron ditong bumper corner step. Rubber race yan. Alam nyo, lately ko lang nalaman na tapakan pala to. For the seat material, it is fabric, power outlet, and USB charging ports here. Dito muna tayo sa steering wheel. This is a 3-spoke leather wrap with multimedia controls and meter cluster control. Meron din siyang hands-free switch at cruise control. Power steering na rin siya, and from 3.7 turns to 3.4 turns na lang. Tilt and telescopic, all variants. Meter cluster is 7-inch, all variants. Engine push start button pa rin po tayo dito sa GLS variant and sa Athlete. Ito na ang one of my personal favorite feature dito sa Athlete and the GLS variant is itong wireless charger. Hindi mo na kailangan ng mahabang cords para mag-charge. Ilapag mo lang yung phone mo dyan and then voila. Ang sa akin lang, sana dinesign nila yung wireless charger na pwedeng isandal yung phone para pwede siyang magamit for navigation habang naka-charge. Pero no need na dahil may built-in navigation na dito sa 9-inch in-vehicle infotainment at pwede mo i-connect yung phone mo via Android Auto, Bluetooth, or Apple CarPlay. 9-inch para sa GLS and Athlete variant at 7-inch naman para sa GLX. Aircon system is dual zone auto climate control powered by Marelli. Nag-merge yung Magneti Marelli at Calsonic Kansei. Airbags, we have 3. Top features are MASTC or Active Stability and Traction Control, multi-around monitor, at hill start assist. Colors are available on your screen. For this display, this is the graphite gray metallic. For the price, it is on your screen again. Estimated delivery date is February 2024. But we are still open for reservation. Siyempre, meron special discounts for early birds. Punta kayo dito sa showroom namin, hanapin nyo ako, bigyan ko kayo ng discount. For unit inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact me on the number on your screen. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video, please like, subscribe, and share nyo na rin yung video sa families and friends nyo. Again, this is Mike from Mitsubishi Peak Motors, Jose Abad, Santos branch. So, kita tayo dito ha.